Halo guys, welcome to my channel. Di sini kita ada speaker legend. This is legend speaker legendary Altair Langsing ACS 45.1 45.1. Ya, this is the back side. Ini bagian belakangnya. This is I finished modification for on off because usually this speaker always can tune on because this IC was broken. Volume control PT I forget, but I remove this IC and I give resistor for bypassing. Okay, this resistor 1, resistor 2 that I give in this circuit. Pin 2 and 3 from top, 2 and 3 from top, and remove PT IC volume control, and I remove this IC also. This is IC for switch 9 volt to the standby from this power amplifier. I give switch, so on off will use switch from this source 12 volt LM78 cos 12 to this point. Okay, can you see it clearly? Cut the this foot of IC in this IC. Cut to and give switch in this one and this two. Okay, this is work. Okay, so on off will work in this way, not from this button. This is original power on and volume, but always broken. I was changed 2 times, but always broken. PT volume control, not reliable IC. This is 68 kilo from jumper, from bypass, for bypass audio line. Okay, I will try using NCS. First I turn off this, and okay, I turn on. Okay, this is was work. Is soft power on, soft power off. Not pop. is no pop up volume on. Speaker is very good. Okay. Okay, thank you for watching.